Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Matt Prout. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and re-oil your air filter for your ATV or dirt bike. I have a twin air filter that I'm using. I tried to already clean this with a powder product I got, but it did not do any good whatsoever. Barely took any of the old oil out or anything. So I actually did some research and found out kerosene is probably the most easiest and most efficient way to clean your air filters. After you clean your air filter, definitely inspect for like tears, rips, or anything like that, or like deforming. Using 1K heater fuel kerosene, which I picked this up from Lowe's, so I'll put a link down in the description. And this you can just get off Amazon. It's Bel-Ray's filter oil. In here, you want to go ahead and get your empty pan or 5-gallon bucket, whatever you'd like to use, and go ahead and put your cleaner or kerosene inside of it. So let's go ahead and do that. So you got your kerosene right here, and then you got your air filter. I'm just gonna kind of fold mine in like that, and then just kind of push it on in. So you don't want to wring it out like a towel or nothing. You just want to squeeze it. As you guys can tell already, that's a crazy difference, you know? As you can tell just from one little dip, that's what kerosene will do for your air filters. If you use kerosene, you want to make sure you just use some Dawn dish soap and just like rinse it through a little bit so you don't have any of that kerosene fighting with your filter oil. So I just rinse this out thoroughly and everything and let it dry, and we'll get on our next step. Alright guys, so I'm just going to take this filter oil, I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to like pour it along the top of it. I'm going to throw on some gloves too because it's going to be a pretty messy job. Alright. So I'm just going to take this and kind of just rub it in real good. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip the inside out pretty much. Now I'm going to get the inside real good too. So guys, that's what our air filter looks like, all nice and cleaned up and oiled up. We used our kerosene to clean it. I rinsed it with Dawn dish soap and hot water, and then we oiled it all up with some Bel-Ray's filter oil. So as you can tell, it's all nice and blue. The oil is all evenly spread throughout the filter. I kept my original bag, brand new one, just like when I bought it. So right after this weekend, I'll take that old one out, go ahead and clean it, repeat the whole entire process, and I'll put this clean one right back in. It's very important to keep your bike with a fresh air filter, and it's all oiled up. Definitely. If you guys want to see some more bike maintenance videos and some helpful tips, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.